So if you want to check the price of RIMI Super Visa Insurance, read the policy wording, read more about coverage, what is covered, what is not covered, go to website btowninsurance.com. If you are opening this website on phone, then click on these two lines and then click on RIMI here. On this page, you will be able to read almost everything about RIMI Super Visa Insurance. They offer two plans, standard and enhanced plan. All dollar amount differences are written here. If you want to check the price and want to read the policy wording before buying, then click on this RIMI Super Visa Insurance code. Fill out your parent information, name, date of birth. Some Indian passports have surname field empty. So in that case, if your parent name is, let's say, Amit Sharma, and it is written in the given name field only, then you can fill Amit in the first name and Sharma in the last name. And in some cases, if your parent have only one name, mostly with moms it is, if your parent have only one name, only one word, then write the same word in the first name field and write the same word in the last name field. Next question is, and include coverage for stable pre-existing medical condition. So if you want to read about stable pre-existing medical conditions, then click on this I here. So the stability period is 90 days up to age 69 and 180 days from 70 to 84. So what is stability period? Stability period means that if they have any health issues, if they are taking any medication, there should not be any change in the medication. There should not be any change in the dose of medication and type of medication, and they should not have visited to the hospital or a specialist or family doctor for any situation within the stability period. So let's say the policy effective date is June 1st. Then the stability period will be counted 90 days backward from the June 1st. So in those 3 months, your parents should not have visited to any hospital, medical facility for the treatment of any ongoing issue or any new issue. Then it is called that their health is stable. If their age is 70 to 84, then they count the stability period 180 days backward from the effective date. If they do not have any health issue, then you can click no here. Next is number of additional applicants. If both parents are coming, then select one from here. The system will ask you for date of birth, name, and medical conditions for the second parent. Next question is, confirm that all applicants are eligible for this insurance. So this is the eligibility criteria. Click this I to read it. Read all these 10 points. So the basic is, they should be visiting to Canada on a visitor visa. They should not be traveling against the advice of doctor. They should not have any ongoing treatment. They have not been diagnosed or treated for a pancreatic, liver, lung, brain, or any kind of metastaticized cancer. So these are the types of cancer they should not be diagnosed or treated with these things. Have not been diagnosed or treated for kidney conditions requiring dialysis within last 24 months. Have not been treated for bone marrow or organ transplant within last 24 months. I suggest talking about these conditions to your doctor in back home as well. Have not been diagnosed for a terminal sickness with less than 2 years to live. Have not been taking any home oxygen in last 12 months. So read these conditions. And next question is country of origin. Select the country of origin from this list. Next is, are applicants currently in Canada? So if you are renewing Super Visa Insurance, then you are going to click yes. But if you click yes, then there may be waiting period on the policy. So what are the waiting periods? Let's say you are renewing this policy when the last policy expires, then there is no waiting period. If you missed the renewal date and you renew the policy within 30 days of the expiry date of the old policy, right? Then the waiting period may be 48 hours, right? If it is more than 30 days, then the waiting period may be 8 days. So if you are buying it for Super Visa application, then click no here because you are applying for Super Visa. Are applicants traveling to Canada on a Super Visa? You can click yes here. If they are coming to Canada on a visitor visa only, then click no here. Next is destination province. So destination province may be Ontario. If your parents are coming to Ontario and later on they might be moving to Alberta, they might be moving to BC, because it happens, right? Like if they have two kids, one kid is living in Ontario and another one is living in British Columbia, they might want to meet both. So your parents are covered throughout Canada. Effective date, if you are applying for Super Visa, then choose the effective date, like let's say 4 months from now. You will receive 2 emails 1 month before the effective date of the policy and 7 days before the effective date of the policy as well. Let's say you applied for Super Visa and you are still waiting for visa and effective date is approaching. Then I suggest you to contact me as soon as possible to change the effective date. If they already have visa and you know that they are traveling on this date, then choose the date accordingly. My suggestion is if you are applying for Super Visa, and do not rely on those emails. Always add a reminder in Google. Next is policy type. There are two policies, standard and enhanced. So standard is also good for Super Visa application, also meets the requirement of Immigration Canada. And if you want like better coverage, then go for enhanced. Then the coverage options. So minimum 100,000 is required as per Immigration Canada. You can go for more if you want. So let's go with 100,000. Next is deductible. What is the deductible here? If you go with zero deductible, then you will get less premium. But if you go with the, let's say 250 deductible, you will get 10% discount on the premiums. And if you go with the 500 deductible, then you will get 15% discount on the premiums. With zero deductible, premium for a year is $1,237.35. Go with the 250 deductible. So you will get 10% discount and it is 1,113 Canadian dollars about. If you go with let's say 250 deductible, that means you have to pay the bill up to 250. If the hospital bill is 250, then you have to pay out of pocket. If the hospital bill is let's say 1,000, right? Then you have to pay 250 and you can claim the remaining amount as per policy conditions. So always choose the deductible as per your pocket and as per your needs. There are two payment options, a lump sum and monthly. Click here to make it monthly. If you want to go with the monthly installments, click monthly installments, right? Then it will show you the payment schedule as per month. Total initial payment here is $326. Monthly payments are $103 per month. Total yearly premium is $1,237. Policy issue fee is $120. So why the policy issue fee here? The policy issue fee is to make it from yearly to monthly. The first payment includes first and last plus 120. So when your parents arrive in Canada, monthly payment will be 103 Canadian dollars. So let's say your parents are coming to Canada on October 1st. You already paid 326, two payments and policy issue fee. When they arrive in Canada, the next payments will start, right? They live in Canada for let's say 4 months. So you pay the first and last as well, and the four payments when they are in Canada. But they used policy for only 4 months. In that case, contact me when they leave Canada. Send me their boarding passes. I will request the company to refund extra charges. They will not refund this fee, but they will refund two payments minus some admin fee like $50 or $60, whatever it will be, right? If you want to read the policy wording now, you have not paid nothing, right? Click on save quote and then it will ask you for your email. Fill your email address and then click on email quote. you will receive the policy wording and pricing in your email, right? If you want to discuss that policy wording with your family doctor back home, always focus on the exclusions, right? So always focus on those things, right? Ask about the exclusions. Ask about if they have any health issue, that is it covered or not. Then your family doctor there will be able to read medical terms and they will be able to explain to you so you can buy the policy. Will it cover your parents or not? If you have any question about the policy wording, about health condition, you can send me a screenshot. I also try my best to help you on the situations. If you want to buy it now, then click on the complete application. It will ask you information, let's say male, female, and your phone number, your address in Canada, and beneficiary. So why it is asking for beneficiary? Because it includes 50,000 accidental death insurance and 50,000 flight accident insurance as well within that amount. So that's why it is asking for beneficiary. Then cardholder name, card details, and then click on buy now. You will receive the policy wording, policy, claim forms, and other related documents in the email. You have 10 days to cancel it and get a full refund. But after 10 days, if you want to cancel it and get refund, then there are different conditions. You can either get full refund if the visa is refused. You can get partial refund if your parents return home country before the majority of the policy. If you paid for like whole year, even then you will get the refund according to the conditions. Let's say your parents came to Canada and after 6 months they got the PR here. Then you also can get partial refund as per policy conditions. For full refund due to visa refusal, you need refusal letter. For partial refund, because they return to the home country, you will need their boarding passes. And for partial refund, because of their status change, they got covered by a provincial health plan. So you need confirmation on those things. Then you will be able to get the refund. If you have any question, call me at 437-238-8119. 437-238-8119. Call, text, WhatsApp at this number. I will be able to help you and to answer your questions on RIMI Super Visa Insurance. I request you to subscribe this channel for more informative videos on insurance in Canada. Thank you again. Have a nice day.